Hey, this is Erin from CreativeEye, and I am doing the Decorating on a Dime series. This is my front foyer. I have this piece of furniture that we bought at a yard sale for like $30, but it definitely needs some help and attention. And then these bar stools, very nice and sturdy, but I decided it wasn't really my style. I wanted round ones, so I bought some, and then going onto my back porch, which is my favorite room in the house. And this is where most of my budget is going to go, is this back porch. But I want the theme that I use on the porch to carry through to the rest of the house. Basically, it's going to be birds, flowers, butterflies, more naturey kind of things, but adding more color, not these browns that I did several years ago. Those window treatments are totally worn out, but I'm going to be doing tablecloth, seat covers, window treatments. I will just try to tie everything together and make it look like things are planned. So this is the new set of bar stools that I bought on Facebook Marketplace, but because I want to lighten up the look, I am spray painting them with Krylon Color Master ivory color, and I was very fortunate. It was my color of choice, and when I got to the register, I found out they were only $2.97 a can because they're on clearance. So I had to go and get several to make sure I had enough. Now this piece, my husband did cut a piece of wood for the tops. We're actually going to replace that, but I'm going to be painting some of that, as well as these chairs. And there's another piece on my back porch that I'll probably also be painting, and then chalking or inking on top of them with some reusable silkscreen transfers from Chalk Couture. And pretty much all the transfers I use will be from the garden series. And this is my little dog Maggie, and she'd like to say hello and goodbye.